So I'm going to unbox the desktop dehumidifier. Because you get a free thing if you do it. I feel so awkward doing this. Little insurance card and instructions. We had to get it because we kept on getting earwigs and silverfish in our new apartment, and they're attracted to humidity. I don't know what the camera can see and what it can't, but okay. Yeah. It's cute, and it's a desktop humidifier, so it'll fit good in our bedroom. Sorry, I'm stuck doing a British accent. Been stuck doing it for like a week, but need to read the instructions. I'm gonna have to edit this. But okay, so I read a little bit of the instructions, but there was a little box in there, so I had to take it out. So you can slide that out, take the top off this thingy. I'll clean that later. And I have a little cord because it's plug-in, not battery. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. I thought you put water in this, but it takes moisture out of the air and fills it with water, and then once it's fully full with water, it stops automatically so that it doesn't like blow up. Okay, so I guess all I have to do is plug it in and turn it on. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. I plugged the cord in and I put everything back. So gotta push it in a little bit. Turn it on. That's the front, so it looks all nice. Okay. I assume it's working. The power button is glowing blue, so yeah, so it's working here because it's blue. Yeah, and I feel air. So it says you turn it on, it'll turn blue, and you'll feel cold air blowing. There is cold air, so it's working. And it looks nice and cute. And it's very tiny, so yeah. That's my unboxing video.